an elegant 17th century manor house located in Midi Pyrénées, France. It offers 6 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. A distinctive manor house set on the edge of a traditional Gascony village with local amenities. The property offers approximately 555 square meters of habitable space and is arranged around a charming courtyard formed by its original outbuildings, all set within 9,219 square meters of landscaped grounds. The main residence retains exceptional period features, including a grand staircase, large stone fireplaces, exposed beams and original wall decor, all carefully preserved during renovation. It provides 3 spacious bedrooms, while an independent 2-bedroom guest cottage occupies one of the outbuildings. Additional outbuildings offer further potential to create extra living accommodation. An established park with mature trees surrounds the property, with a swimming pool and outdoor living areas completing this rare Gascony estate. The asking price of this elegant 17th century manor house is €1,358,500. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.